Welcome to Spirit Shack. Just going to show you a little bit more about our LED pendulum. So basically this is used for spirit communication, kind of similar to how the dowsing rods work. You ask it to show you what a yes is, and then ask it to show you what a no is. Then you can use it to ask yes/no questions. So basically you hold this in one hand, you keep it as straight as you possibly can, and then you ask the spirits to move this and show you what a yes is. Sometimes it might go backwards or forwards, left to right, go around in a circle, either clockwise or anti-clockwise. Once you've established what a yes is, you put it back to centre again, and you ask it to show you what a no is, and then the no should be a different type of response to the yes response. Once you've established both of those, you can start asking yes or no questions. So it takes 2 watch batteries, and it actually comes with 4. So you've got 2 to use straight away, and you also have 2 spares. So it alternates between several different colours every second or so. And for using it for a video or anything, it does look really good on screen, even with the light on. But I'll just show you in the dark, just to show you how bright it is. Yeah, so that's how it looks in the dark. Yeah, it is quite bright. I'll leave a link to this in the video description, and thanks for watching.